¿Dónde vas? Acá, hijo. Inspired the bro to bring his drone. He's beast mode right now. Look at it. Ah, son. Inspiring. Mira. Acá, hijo. Vas a meter fuerte al aire. Ready? I landed it, bro! Woo, woo, woo. You seen that, guys? You guys flew like 2,000 feet up in the... Alright, thanks for watching. These are all my cousins. The big bro, the girl who got stung by a bee, and the rescue guy, pilot. Thanks for watching.
You missed me.
Oh, did you guys see the birds? I don't know if I did. I try to follow birds. I'm out. See you later. So Mauricio's about to fly Toñito's drone. He's getting the tips from Toñito. ¿Cuánto costó tu drone?
Como casi 100.
$100 drone. Drone 2, I think it's called. I'm not sure. See what you got. Whoa!
Right when I was gonna se le acabó la batería.
Alright guys, that was the little drone. You guys saw it when Toñito was flying. I think we're going high up in the sky. And we also got an RC car. Eric. You're gonna put some turbo on it next. Oh, burn out! Burn out! Burn out! Burn out! Burn out! Oh! Burn out, burn out. Hit a U-turn. Hit a U-turn. Is that the biggest burnout I've seen? Hit a burnout. Off-roading. Yeah, he's a RC champ as well. He's a ground man. We have RC drones, RC cars, RC planes. What is that?